In this tutorial we'll show you how to create a profile in Civil 3D. In order to create a profile you will need an alignment and a surface. In this case we have the surface that we've created our driveway on and we want to overlay that alignment onto that surface and show a profile view of the elevation as it changes over the stationing on the alignment. So in order to do that we're going to go to Profile up on the Home tab, and you're going to go to Create Surface Profile. In this box you're going to notice that we'll have an alignment, as I mentioned, as well as our surface. So this driveway, it's actually driveway 1. We have a start and an end here, so that's the beginning and the end of the stationing there, and you can choose a given section that you would like to profile rather than the whole thing, and as well as the surface here. Once we have all that information set there, we want to go ahead and add that, and so we have one current profile here. Now notice that you can add separate alignments and separate surfaces. You can add those onto the same profile view if you wanted to show multiple things. For example, if you wanted to show the current alignment or the current profile of a surface, as well as after it's graded, what the graded surface would look like. So once that's done there, we're going to actually hit Draw and Profile View down here, and this is going to give us several more options that we can walk through. I will walk through these quickly. It's going to give us the profile name, so we're just going to call it BB Driveway, and profile view settings. So again, you can edit these like we've done in the past with various other things, and you can click through here. The stationing range, again, we can change here, the height of it, as well as the display options. All these things will be stuff that you can come back and edit, and we will finally create that profile view at the end here. Again, you can do cut area, fill area, multiple boundaries. Now once you select to create it, you need to select where you want it to be. So we're just going to select it off to the right here, and that's going to create the profile to our right. So we're going to zoom. I'm just going to pan over there and see what it's created. So there is our profile showing the elevation here as well as the stationing this way. So as you can see here, we will need to go in and edit this to show the entire thing. In order to do that, I'll show you if we hit escape there to get out of the pan, and I'm going to select here on profile view. When I select on that profile, it's going to bring up all these different options, and so we can go into profile properties here. We're going to select a profile right there, so we can go into that profile and you can look at the data that's used for it. So that's the first piece, is just the data that's used for that profile. In this case everything's okay, and then the other one is going to be the edit profile style. So again, we're going to select this profile here, hit enter, and this will give us information about the design, the markers, what's displayed on that profile. And the last thing I'll show you is the profile view properties. So this is actually for viewing the style. Now I can come in here and I can deal with the gridding or the axis, and all these different options here. You can click through all these. This is where you're going to want to edit your profile to make it the viewing nice. So those are how to create as well as how to edit a profile.